perseverers. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a protractor. For today's demonstration, you're going to need a protractor kit. A protractor kit is going to include a protractor and some rulers. Also, make sure you bring some blank pieces of paper to draw our circles and have a calculator in hand because we're going to do some calculations. Today we're going to start by reviewing some terms that are going to be repeated constantly throughout this presentation. Uniform circular motion, tangential velocity, centripetal force, centripetal acceleration, and circumference. Let's begin by knowing what a protractor is. A protractor's purpose is to draw a well-defined circle. In order to begin, you need to measure the radius that you're going to use the protractor for. You put the fixed pivot point on the 0 centimeter, and from there, you measure to around 5 centimeters. That will do it. Now, get a more dark pen, or maybe a marker, and put a point in the middle. This is the point that we're going to use in order to put our pivot point. Now, put the pivot point on that dot, and from there, you're going to start having the circular motion. A uniform circular motion is the motion of an object in a circle at a constant speed. Now, you can see the constant speed, but there is a change in acceleration. This change in acceleration is due to the centripetal acceleration. The change in acceleration is due to the change in direction. You can see that our circle changes direction as it moves through its pathway. But as it moves through the pathway, the revolution is about a fixed point. And this is going to help because the revolving protractor will have linear velocity at any moment, and it's always going to be tangent to the circle. This is called tangential velocity. The protractor also maintains its position through centripetal force, which acts on the object and allows it to move in that circular position. After you have measured this, after you have drawn the circle, we're going to measure the circumference. The circumference is the linear distance around the edge of the circle. We've already measured the radius, which is the point from the edge of the circle to the pivot point. This radius, as we have earlier measured, is going to be 5 centimeters. Our circumference equation is going to be C equals 2 pi r. The r is going to be the radius. In this equation, we're going to plug the 5 into, instead of the r, and see when we use a calculator, 2 times pi times 5 becomes 31.4 approximate. And this is of course in centimeters. This is basically how you use a protractor. Let's go over the terms again. Uniform circular motion. Motion of an object in a circle at constant speed. Tangential velocity. Linear velocity at any moment is tangent to the circle. Centripetal force acts on the object to cause it to move in a circular path. centripetal acceleration. The object changes direction while uniformly revolving around this one fixed point. And finally, circumference, the linear distance around the edge of the circle, which we have measured to be 31.4 centimeters. And the equation is either 2 pi r or pi b. Thanks for watching. I hope this was enjoying and at the same time educational. Have a great day.